Why business owners plateau and how to multiply income without working more. Let's talk about the invisible ceiling most of the business owners hit. You might have a reputation, the revenue and the results. You have invested in strategy, played with pricing, tried budgeting, and even leaned to a new tool or technique. And daily there is so much which is coming up. To cope with it, it has become just impossible. And yet you feel the profit stuck, income doesn't match your effort, growth feels heavy, not scalable, and this is leading to your stress, anxiety. And now I'm asking why? Because traditional financial advice often overlooks three invisible dimensions that quietly sabotage income no matter how smart or skilled you are. That's what I discovered, my dear friend, while working with growth stage entrepreneurs and established service providers. The breakthrough didn't come from so much strategy, it came from somewhere. And I'm going to share this in this video for you, but would request you to implement. Here's what I have seen over again and again. You are working harder, but the ROI is dropping. Revenue increases, but profits stay flat. You are showing up consistent, innovatively, creatively, but your income is totally inconsistent. Does this sound familiar, or is this in your experience? You are not broken, but you have just been trying to grow with only one dimension of business success: money strategy. That money strategy. You are just focusing on money strategy. But let me introduce you all the 4 dimensions, the 4D profit formula. So here's the 4D profit formula. Most entrepreneurs operate in just one dimension or 2 dimensions, but lasting growth happens when you align all the 4. Now these are the 4 dimensions which are coming. First is the money pattern. Your beliefs about money silently shapes your pricing, your profit decisions, your financial ceiling. Yes, you have to ask yourself, what's the biggest and the highest price that makes you uncomfortable to charge? What do you believe about wealthy people, about success, about ease? When we uncover and reprogram these patterns, income ceiling starts to break. Yes, this is for you to be experienced. The second, the part is the time allocation. Time is your most misunderstood asset. Many business owners spend most of their week keeping their business alive instead of actively growing the profits or being engaged in distractions. Self-reflect what percentage of your time is spent on income-producing activity. This is where a profit-focused time audit changes everything, my dear friends. Identity alignment, the number 3. You'll never earn your self-image ever if you still see yourself as hustling to prove something or not yet being there. Your decisions, boundaries, and even your offers will reflect that. Try this. How would someone earning double, 2x your income show up in your business today? The wealth identity reframe. Isn't just the mindset work. It's operational identity upgrade also. So are you ready to update and upgrade? And the 4th is the energy focus. Let's be very honest, the most profitable tasks often get avoided. Not because they are hard, but because they feel misaligned. Every entrepreneur has a unique energy blueprint. Once you tap in your high ROI energy zones, you create with less resistance and more reward. A quick insight I will give you here. Which profitable activities do you know still you are avoiding it? That's where your energy to income map starts. And what I am talking, if this is making real sense, your real results will come from real people. A service provider in my coaching boosted profits by 215% in just 6 months. A consultant tripled fees while reducing the hours. Coaches and creatives finally step into pricing without guilt. Because when you align all 4 dimensions, money, time, identity, and energy, you don't just add income, you multiply it. And this is not a motivational fluff. It's a repeatable, structured formula that works. If you want to go deeper, if this clicked with you, I have created a full system that guides you through the 4D profit formula step by step. Here's what's inside. Time audit system is there for you to reclaim time from low ROI tasks. There is going to be a human SWOT analysis for your alignment with self-image and wealth. Money Block Workshop dissolves invisible financial ceilings, and I would love to give you a bonus. It is a 30-day money manifestation challenge which will rewire your daily habit to shift your set point, your money set. Now I invite you to watch these 3 free resources to start. Have an easy start. Winning Workweek Formula, the YouTube is there, and just search a little. It's there in the description, and the playlist is there. Human SWOT analysis, again there's a playlist. You can find this video. And if you are ready to start multiplying your income, not by working more but aligning and working smarter, just type in the comment audit and reach out to us and have this 45 minutes discovery call, and let's stop surviving success, my dear friends. Let's start owning your next level wealth. And message me, because this time is very crucial. It's a scarce commodity. Thank you.